This is a brand new 2013 GMC Sierra 2500. This truck has an automatic transmission, a V8, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a cooled driver's seat, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a turbocharger, a locking rear differential, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel mounted controls, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.